Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to use WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp Web is a way to access your WhatsApp account but using a computer. It's a way to improve communications with your students, the staff that you work with, but also your friends and family. The advantages of using WhatsApp Web, there are a few. Mainly, it's simple to write a message with a keyboard on a laptop more than on your phone. You know, some people are very fast with their fingers, but you can type much more quickly with the keyboard of a laptop. Sending files is more convenient using the media that's available on your computer. There are lots of things that you don't have on your phone that you might have on your laptop that you want to share with your students, so you can use WhatsApp Web for that. Copy and pasting links is faster because you have to close down applications on your phone, whereas on your computer you just minimize it and quickly paste it. You can save your phone battery if you're in that sort of predicament at the end of a day, and also you can boost your productivity by actually avoiding your phone. So one of the main things you might check your phone for is communication with colleagues, with friends, but you could end up down a wormhole of checking other things on your phone. So if you want to keep focused on your work, you can use WhatsApp Web to maintain that communication during the day. To set up WhatsApp Web, the computer link is web.whatsapp.com. Then on your phone, you need to click on the three dots, or if it's an iPhone, the settings. On WhatsApp, click WhatsApp Web, and then it will give you a QR code which to scan, and then it will sync the phone with the desktop. So here's a little video on how to access it using the phone. Open your WhatsApp on your phone, click on the three dots in the corner, click on WhatsApp Web, then go to your desktop and click on web.whatsapp.com. Then a QR code comes on the screen, so you scan this using your phone, and automatically the website and the WhatsApp will link together. So now I'll show you a few things about how WhatsApp Web can be used to help with your teaching and work. First of all, to type messages, to share images, to share video, to share and record audio, to share documents, to share Excel, and then finally to broadcast to multiple individuals. So firstly, I'm going to type a message to a team of mine. And this is just easier to type with a keyboard. If you want to do special things, you can make things bold by putting an asterisk around it. You can make things italic by putting underscore around it. You can make things strike through if you put a tilde around it. If you've got longer things that perhaps you've already written, you can copy the full message by just copy paste, and you can send a full text. If you want to share an image, you click on the paperclip, and here we have photos and videos. So I'm going to share an image with this group. If I want to share a video, it's the same link. I'm going to share this video. But sometimes a video might be quite large because they have a limit of 60 megabytes. If I want to send a YouTube video, you might want to make it a smaller thing by sending the YouTube link, and that's a way you can share videos via YouTube. So you would just send the link. You can also share audio. If you go to photos and videos, but then this is how it works on Windows. I'm not too sure about Apple, but if you go to the files here and change it to all files, you can suddenly see different files. So I'm going to send them a song. I don't really have an audio file to send them, but you could send an audio file, or you can record by clicking on the bottom and recording and sending them an audio file that way. If you want to share a document, again, it's on the paperclip. You go to the document, and I'm going to send my students a PDF. So this team a PDF. One thing that I found quite useful is with Excel, if you copy, for example, a table and paste that in with Control V, it copies it as a little snippet from the Excel. Another thing you can do, if you've got something on your screen that you don't want to save quickly, if you click print screen, then it will also copy everything that's on your screen and send that. And then the final thing that I would use it for is for a broadcast. Broadcast is slightly different to a team in that I'm going to send the same thing to 3 different people, but they don't get to see each other's reply. So this is something you set up on your phone. It's a broadcast link, and then it would come up here. So I'm going to send the same thing to all 3 of my team, but I don't want them all to give me the same opinion, so I want to hear different things, and for this I would use broadcast link. Okay, so that's it. That's WhatsApp Web. It's very helpful for communicating while you're at work with all your team, and also to maintain personal life without affecting your work. It's much easier to share files to improve your communication, sharing data and things like this. So I recommend using it. Thanks.